pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, I'm Karen and it is nice to meet you. I hope you will stay, subscribe, like the video, and comment down below your favorite color so I can get to know you better. And if you're returning, thank you. You guys know I love you so very much. Do you know what I have today? I have the Ipsy Glam Bag. This is the $12 a month beauty subscription that gives you a combination of skincare, tools, and makeup. And I'm excited to see what we've got. I actually don't remember. So, here is the bag. Everything is in there. Well, that's neat. It all fits in there. So let's open her up and see what we got. Everything out. All right. Ooh, there's a card in here. Okay, I believe, do you get to choose an item for the glam bag? I don't remember. I know you can choose 3 for the plus, which, by the way, is taking its sweet old time to arrive. Thank you, Ipsy. All right, let's see. Here's the card, Force of Nature, April 2021. Oh, it's got the products on here. And we've got Chloe's name. Oh, because Glam Bag X is coming up next month. I'm so excited for that. Okay, let's see what we got. First thing I pull out, ooh, I wonder how many's in here. First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I just got the huge, there's a lot in here. I just got the huge bottle of this in the Trendwood box, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. These I use every single day. They are so good for evening out skin tone, getting rid of redness and all that fun stuff. It is telling me that this is a deluxe sample, and the full version of the product is 60 count and $36. There's probably about 10 to 15 in here, which is really good. It's got glycolic acid to smooth and brighten your skin without creating redness or irritation. That's so very true. I use them every single day. So yes, I will use this, and I can even take it with me if I go anyplace. Well, we don't go anywhere anymore, so I mean, if I did. Maybe I'll go to my mom's and take it with me for the hell of it, right? Okay, so the next thing I see is the Tatcha water cream, and it's so very cute. It's definitely a sample. It's a deluxe size. I love me some Tatcha products, and they're so expensive. This smells really good, and it's a great moisturizer. I've used it before, so getting that, super plus. The full-size bottle is $68. Yeah, see what I mean? But yeah, Tatcha, loving that. Okay, let's put that aside. What do I have next? It looks like there's an eyeshadow quad, and look how tiny. Consider this magic hour in a palette? Really? Okay. The full size is $20. It is Oriza Golden Hour Shimmer Eyeshadow. I really don't know. I've never heard of that brand. Never heard of it, so I have no idea. Whoa. Okay. Oh man, bubble wrap, and it's got the plastic on it. Oh my goodness. Okay, which is good. It's definitely good for making sure nothing happens to the product. Okay, my scissors. Let's open her up and swatch her and see what we got. Okay. Here she is. There's one matte shadow, and there's 3 really pretty shimmers. I'm going to let you guys look at it, but should I swatch it? I think I want to give it to someone. Alright, I'll swatch it for you guys so you guys can see. Let's see. These are summery colors. Right off the bat, there is one. They feel a little bit creamy, but they don't feel expensive. I do not know how they would blend, but here is the colors here. Not something that I would reach for, I don't think. But they're great for travel and for trying things out, because if you do find something you like, you know where to purchase it, and if you know, it saves you time and can save you money. All right, the next thing I see is a beauty sponge. This is the perfect spring addition to your makeup bag. Pretty pastel purple. I do love purple. All right, so it has an MSRP of $5. We all know what a beauty sponge looks like. This is like your basic beauty blender, and I like it. All right, so that's good to get. They're always handy. The next thing is by Marc Anthony. Oh, I love Marc Anthony products. This is Coconut and Shea Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. Oh, it's a detangler. Oh. Okay, so this is a deluxe sample, obviously, and the full-size product would be $9. All right, let's open her up. Safe to seal. Yes. You sing Abby's song. We got a safety seal. All right. Okay. Can I take off? These nails are coming off. That's it. I'm done with this. I don't know what I was thinking. I might be able to get it off. It's possible. Here we go. Whoa! Now it's getting everywhere. Ah! Okay. Oh, it smells amazing. It does smell like coconut. Let me just put some on the back of my hand. Yes. Okay. Yeah, can always use this stuff for hair. Definitely, definitely, definitely. I don't really like to blow dry my hair in the summer. I'd rather just put a conditioner or a leave-in treatment in, and then just, you know, put it up if I have to, and we're good to go. Okay, let's recap. So we got the leave-in conditioner in a super deluxe sample for sure. We got the beauty blender, which is pretty much a full-size product, so that's cool. We got the eyeshadow quad. That is kind of a springy color. I mean, I don't have high hopes for this really blending. It's a deluxe sample. It's just something for you to try. But for those of you that are looking to try new colors, then definitely, I'm sure you'd enjoy it. We got the Tatcha water cream, which I will definitely use, and the facial radiance pads, which are like my holy grail. Yes, I have to have these. So overall, excellent bag for $12. Yes, Karen approves. I am very excited about that. What did you guys think of my bag? Oh, it says Force of Nature inside here. How cute. And this is cute. I like the bag, so everything fits in there too, so that's a plus. Did you guys like my bag? Did you get the same thing? Do you get Ipsy? Do you prefer Boxycharm? Tell me all the deets in the comments below. Thank you for joining me for this video. I really appreciate every single one of you. I can't wait to read your comments tomorrow, and I will see you really soon in another video. Bye!